Okay, so to debug the JavaScript code, let's see. I just created a Visual Studio project, and in this project, I have simple index.html page. As you can see, there is nothing inside code. So let's create a JavaScript file. So to create a JavaScript, I just took a folder name script, and inside this folder, I took a JavaScript as a file. So take a JavaScript and make it as a index.js. And so index.js to add that file in your HTML, you need to some scripting kind of thing. So you just drag and drop this facility you will get in Visual Studio. I'm not sure about the other editors, but you will have to include the reference path of that JavaScript file so that browser can interpret that uh, code. So to debug, we just create a quick demo. So let's consider let A and we name it as a 12. Let B as a again 12, and we are going to print console.log log. So this demo is basically for to see how we are going to debug the JavaScript code in a console application. So this is basic thing, and again let m is equal to, okay, this is just debugging debugging kind of thing. Okay, so let's see how we're going to debug that. To debug this, I just already included it. So just run your application. So hit Control F5, and inside it you see nothing, so nothing to worry about. Just go to inspect page, and inside this inspect page you see various tabs. Let me drag it: console, source, network, performance, memory, etc. So to debug, we need to go in sources. So inside the sources, you can see your index.html and script folder, the same script folder as we created here in our project. This also go to client as well. So inside this script folder, we have created our index.js file. So as you can see here, index.js file. This is the code we have written, and the answer is 24. As you can see, the log application has logged one a plus b, means the value of a and b was 12 each. So the answer is 24. So we just printed 24. Let's see how we are going to debug this. So to debug this, you just apply here debugger kind of, means this is debugger. As you can see in this same here in Visual Studio. If it were a CS file, so let's add a CS file so that I can explain you. uh, Add class file, my demo class. So inside this, we add a debugger here. So this is pretty similar here in browser as well. So to see, just press F5. So you see, when you press F5, means I refresh the page, you can see the debugger has stopped here. So to make the debugger further, you just do click on this button. As you can see here written, resume script extension F10 or control plus slash. So we prefer to use F8. So to press F8, so when you press F8, it will come to an next debugging point. So you see value of A is 12, and if I again print, so the value will be, and if you want to see the one more thing here, a plus b is in the current context, and when you go to console and if you write the same thing a plus b, you see the answer is 24. So one of the advantages, you can say, a quick view kind of thing. As you go here and you just right click here and you see go to quick view when you open the CS file in debugging mode. So similar kind of thing here as well. So in sources, you see you can easily debug the thing. And suppose you want to bypass the debug, it means suppose you find the bug or error while debugging the thing, and you do not want to further go ahead with the thing means you want to run the page. So you can see here easily you can see deactivate breaking point. So deactivate the breaking point, the same facility as you get here while the debugging, and you know debugging you file disable all the breakpoint, delete and enable the breakpoint. So similar kind of thing is here as well. So just click here and one bypass it. So once you bypass, the page is going to refresh and you again see your result here. So 24 is again available in our result. So this is all about debugging, means how we are going to debug. Thank you.